Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix low suction or poor pickup on MOVA V50 Ultra. First, let's try adjusting the suction in the app, but if it doesn't help, then we'll get to cleaning the robot properly to make sure it works as intended. So go into the app, then you can find this button right here in the bottom left corner, and now you can go to custom, then set the cleaning mode to whichever one you like, and suction power should be set to a higher one that is currently set. So if I have it on standard and I feel like it's too low suction, I can set it to intense and see if it helps. If it doesn't, or it does but not as much as you would expect, you may want to clean the robot. The first thing is to remove the dustbin and make sure that it's all fine there. So remove the dustbin after opening the cover that is magnetically attached on top of the robot. Then remove the filter and empty the dustbin if there's anything in it. Make sure this hole isn't stuck with anything. Sorry, I didn't show you that. Make sure this hole is like you can actually put your finger in there. Clean the filter. You can rinse it with water, but if you do it, then you should let it air dry for at least 24 hours before putting it back in to prevent any mold, because mold can also decrease your suction besides being just bad for your health. Then the next thing is you should actually make sure that these doors can be opened. So I'll remove the filter again because they can only be opened from the inside. So try pushing it from the inside, then see if they can move, if they're all right. Now, once I put the filter in, I can now put the dustbin in, and let's get to the next part. No, sorry, let's remove to the dustbin. And once it's removed, make sure this canal here is also like accessible. Now once you're sure about that, you can, of course, if it's not, then you should just clean it. Then you should clean the main brushes. So open these two buttons, squeeze these two buttons together to open the cover. Then remove the main brushes, clean everything here on the inside, and clean the main brushes themselves by removing some excess hair or debris. You can cut the hair with knife or scissors, then put them back in or replace with new ones if they're worn out. You can see there's the orange and gray hole, and there's orange and gray parts, so they should color match. Once you put them in, you should close the cover. The part with the notches should go in first, and it should be facing towards the front, and then this part with the buttons should go in second and should click like that and goes towards the back of the robot, and that should help you. If it didn't, then you may want to contact the after-sales service. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.